Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and this is Chinelo's Corner. Trust you guys are doing great. So today guys, I'll be making my hair, and as you can see from the topic, yeah, I'll be making crochet hair. And before I show you the hair that I'll be making, I want to weave the hair first. So I'll just weave the hair first before I'll show you the hair that I'll be making. It's crochet hair. And before we dive into it, if you're new to my channel, I say big welcome to you. Yes, don't stop watching, and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And to my returning subscribers, I say big thank you to you for always being there, for always loving my video, for always commenting, for always sharing me out. I say a big thank you to you. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, give me a big thumbs up at the end and comment in the comment section. Tell me how I did. Tell me if I tried or not. Yeah, thank you very much. So let's dive into the video for today. Yes, let's go guys. Guys, I just want to show you a little of how I'm making the weaving. I can't just take you through all. My video will be too long, but when I'm done weaving, I will come back to show you how I weaved the hair before we start fixing the hair. So yes guys, this is how I'm making it. This is how I'm making it. So guys, I'm done guys, I'm done weaving the hair, and as you can see, I don't know, it's not perfect though, it's not perfect, but yeah, that's not the main goal. The main goal is the crochet, and you know that the crochet will cover the hair. So yes, I will just show you. First off, I have my crochet pin here that I will use to make the hair. Then here's the hair. I don't know if this one will be enough, but I think it will be okay. That's the name of the hair. I hope you can see it. Freedom Braid Collection. That's the name. And here it is. They have a lot of beautiful hair. I'm not advertising it, just let you know. And this particular one I'm using, the name is Crochet Locs. Crochet Locs, as in crochet locks, and this is color 1, dark color. And here we have so quick, so easy, so natural, so real. So it's quick to make, it's easy, just as I want to make it myself. It's so natural and it's so real. So guys, this is the hair I want to make. I'm going to start making it right now. I just said I should show you what I'm doing, and if you are hearing any sound, please ignore. They are walking at the back. Yeah. So yes guys, I'll start up now. Here's my crochet. Guys, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So as it's sitting on the back, it's easy, it's quick, it's natural. So the point here is that it's easy and it's quick. So yes guys, I'm doing it. So I take it and I go to the tip, because that's where it's easier for me to take it. So I take it this way. Look at the tip. it on this particular place, lock it, take it out, then I go to the tip, and that's it, guys. Pull it, and that's it. Guys, please don't forget to give me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a comment, guys. Rate me, oh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. Rate me, rate me. Tell me how well I did this, guys. If I did it well or not. Tell me how well I did it. Like it says, it's quick, it's easy, it's natural, it's real. I love the way this hair is easy to make, guys. I love it. I love it. Guys, what I did is I always calculate when I'm making such hair. I always calculate the way I weave the front. I reserve some for the front so I don't run out of the hair. So I always calculate as it is now. I've done my calculations, and that's what I'm using to work. I already know how many is going into each of the rows, the cornrows, so I work with it. This is the pattern, so this one is the last I'll be making for this part. Then the last I'll just fix here, and this one will fall this way, then the ones here will fall down this way. So that is the style, guys. I'm not done yet, and I'm looking this beautiful. Guys, like seriously, if I know, maybe I'll just leave this side though. Chai. Guys, I'm done making my hair. Check it out, guys. I'm looking. Yes, if you stay to this time, a big thank you to you. I love you guys. I love you guys. Yes, if you're new to this channel, a big thank you to you. And if you stay to this time, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Give this video a big thumbs up. And to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you for always being there. Yes, rate me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about my hair. Tell me what you think about this beautiful hair. Like I said, if you can make cornrow, you can do this. If you can make cornrow, you can do this. It's quick, like it's the instruction there. It's quick, it's easy, it's natural, it's real. And my own that I will add to it, it's beautiful. Yes, now, guys, check it out now. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, so guys, thank you very much for being there. Thank you very much for watching Chinelo's Corner. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all, guys. Yes, I appreciate you all. As I'm rocking my hair, as I'm enjoying this beauty that I'm feeling now, I appreciate you all, guys. I say a big thank you for being there. So guys, yes, they upload another one. Follow me on my other channel, Chinelo's TV, my social media platform, IG Chinelo's Corner, Twitter Chinelo's Corner, Facebook page Chinelo's Corner. Yes, that is it for now, guys. Till I upload another one. Yeah, Chinelo signing off. Bye bye.